Hello, good afternoon. My name is Matthew Beard. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Snow Seat and Pool. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to connect your Android smartphone to your new Seat. So we'll obviously need a Seat with a infotainment system, which we're looking at now. We'll need a Android smartphone and also the USB cable that came with your phone. So take the cable and connect it into the first port, USB 1 in your car, like so. The phone can then communicate with the car and it will establish a connection. So you will require the Android app for your phone for this to operate, but the first time that you plug your phone in, the car will tell the phone that it needs to have the app, and then you'll be given the opportunity on your phone to download the app. So once your phone is connected, you need to bear in mind that any of the data which is now going to be displayed in the car is being pulled through your phone. So you are going to be charged for the data which is sent through to the car. So if we press the Android Auto icon on the screen, it will open it up for us. Okay, so this is our home screen. It's telling me the place that I regularly go to. So that's when the Bluetooth gets disconnected from my phone. So it's worked out effectively that that's my home address. Below it is telling us the weather for our current location. Also up here we've got Wi-Fi, signal strength of the phone, battery charge, and also voice control over here in the corner for the phone. And then effectively we've got three icons at the bottom: map, telephone, home button, music, and eject button to eject the phone from the car. So let's just run through these very quickly. Let's deal with maps first of all. So this is going to use Google Map data. So again, this is using your data allowance through your phone. Again, at the top it's suggesting a likely destination and how long it's going to take for us to get there. There's a couple of really nice features with this, which are the overlays that come as part of Google. So we can access those by pressing the three lines at the top here. So we've got recent places, labelled places, saved places. So labelled places will be if we want to display things like petrol stations and banks on the map. But if I just scroll down a bit further, it says categories here. We've also got traffic and satellites. So if I click the traffic button first of all, it will put a little tick in the box. And what the car will begin to do now, I'm just going to see if I can scroll out, is what Google Maps do is they pick up people's mobile phone signals, and therefore they can tell how fast or how slow traffic's moving, and they display it as colours on the map. So if we've got some green lines on here, that's telling us that the traffic's fine. Where we've got some orange, that means the traffic's slowed down, and the little red symbols are indicating where traffic is actually stationary. So this works real time. I believe that the system's updated every 2 minutes, and it's a really, really clever little system. So let's just scroll back in again, so you can perhaps see in a little bit more detail there. I'll shut that box down. Okay, so the other overlay as well is we can overlay Google Earth effectively, so satellite imagery onto our map. So again, if I press the category button, I can click the box that says satellite, and again the map's going to change now, and we go into full satellite mode. So as you begin to drive around, the same as your usual sat nav, the map will spin about and everything's shown to you as if you're looking at Google Earth. Again, really, really clever. So if you want to make telephone calls whilst our phone is connected to the car, we can press the phone icon and the screen will change, and this will display the last phone calls that I've made. If you have on your phone that is connected via your address book on your computer, then it can pull images through as well, as you can see on the screen there, and I can scroll down through my last phone calls. I can dial a number by pressing the little number pad here, dial away, press the green button, and away I go. So again, if I want to return back to the home screen, I just press the circle at the bottom, it takes us back home. A little picture of the headphones here. If we press this, it will take us into our music, so we can stream music via Google Play. Music would take me into the music which is stored on my phone. In this case I don't have any music on there at all, or we can use Spotify as well. So again, circle, back to the home screen, And as I mentioned, over here is if we want to eject the phone while we're driving along without causing any damage to it. Hopefully a little insight's been useful, but if you have any questions, please give us a call.